If you're looking for help on your cracked iPhone screen, you might have the same questions. Today, Sydney CBD Repair Centre will answer the most frequently asked questions on iPhone screen repair cost. Why is replacing a screen so expensive? Replacing a screen is so expensive because it involves several complex steps and requires specialized tools and skills. First, the old screen has to be carefully removed without damaging the rest of the device. This may require heating, prying, or unscrewing the screen from the frame. Second, the new screen has to be compatible with the device model and specifications. This may limit the availability and increase the cost of the replacement parts. Third, the new screen has to be properly installed and connected to the device's circuitry. This may require soldering, gluing, or aligning the screen with precision. All these steps require time, expertise, and quality materials, which make replacing a screen a costly service. How much does it cost to fix a screen without Apple Care? The cost of fixing a screen without Apple Care depends on several factors, such as the model of the device, the extent of the damage, and the location of the service provider. According to Apple's website, the screen repair fee for an iPhone 13 Pro Max without Apple Care is $329, while for an iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th generation, it is $649. However, these prices may vary depending on the availability of parts and labor in different regions. Additionally, some third-party repair shops may offer lower or higher prices than Apple, but they may not use genuine Apple parts or follow Apple's quality standards. Therefore, it is advisable to compare different options and check the reviews and warranties before choosing a service provider. How much does it cost to replace an iPhone screen? The cost of replacing an iPhone screen depends on several factors, such as the model of the iPhone, the type of screen, the warranty status, and the service provider. According to Apple support, the prices for screen repair range from $200 to $500 if you get service directly from Apple. However, you may also find other service providers that offer lower or higher fees, such like the iStore. You should also consider the quality of the screen replacement and the impact on your iPhone's warranty. It is recommended to use an ** Apple authorized premium service provider ** for your screen repair to ensure that your iPhone is repaired by Apple accredited engineers using the correct tools and genuine Apple parts. But if you can't afford this service, Sydney CBD Repair Centre will offer you an alternative for your iPhone screen repair needs. How much is an iPhone 11 screen replacement? The cost of repairing an iPhone 11 screen depends on where you get it done and what quality of parts you use. According to Apple, the out-of-warranty repair price for an iPhone 11 screen replacement is $199 using Apple genuine parts. However, you may find cheaper options at local repair shops or online services that use standard or OEM quality parts. Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers OEM quality screens for a fairer price. The trade-off is that you may lose your warranty if you use non-Apple parts or unauthorized service providers. How long does it take to replace iPhone glass screen? The answer to how long it takes to replace an iPhone glass screen depends on several factors, such as the extent of the damage, the availability of the parts, and the service provider you choose. According to some sources, if you go to an Apple-authorized service provider or Apple Store, it may take a few hours if it is a simple replacement, or longer if they need to replace the entire unit with a refurbished phone. If you mail your product directly to Apple, it may take 3–5 business days. If you go to another service provider, they may have different fees and time frames, so you should ask them for an estimate before you proceed. If you have AppleCare Plus, you may be eligible for coverage with a fee by using an incident of accidental damage from handling that comes with your plan. If you try to repair your iPhone screen yourself, you may risk further damage or voiding your warranty.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
A little replacement part that David has sourced. It is color accurate, so if you have this kind of repair with Apple, you will spend an enormous amount of cash, believe me. And I think they will not even do the repairs. You just replace the device if you're under warranty. But if you're not under warranty, you don't have Apple Care, you have to shell out some cash. And David is going to remove some components from the old display as well and then transfer it to the new one. So this is going to be a very tricky repair if you don't have the components. That is why, if you are interested in fixing your iPhone 12, you should watch this video, weigh the pros and cons, whether you want Apple to do it or have a service technician do it. But if you're gonna opt out for a third party, make sure they know what they're doing and you get some warranty from them. And if you're interested in what we offer here, if you want the same fix on your iPhone 12, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center, or you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll perform the repairs here in the shop. You can see there, everything is all working fine. So David is just gonna reassemble everything, put back the screws in the right order to avoid some complications later on. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you're wondering how an iPhone 12 display gets replaced, this is how you should do it. And that's it. I'm just gonna close it up, put back the last 2 screws on the housing, and this iPhone 12 will live on as another brand new smartphone. Just gonna clean it up, wipe it, and put some free tempered glass. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!